Hello, and welcome to the Alleyway Assembly. Today, we'll be reviewing a few new members of our Alleyway and a few new arcs that will be coming along the way soon. Please take a look. That's right. Karate Kong will be joining the Parody Alleyway. And other announcements, we have a bounty on Mr. Moneybags from Spyro. He recently robbed us. Anyways, in other Hi, we interrupt Alleyway Assembly with a special announcement regarding LMAO. They are currently making an arc about a job offer, and it's cool. Please check it out. I'm totally not being held hostage. Please, someone help. Since we also have another character reveal coming up right now. That's right. Wisdom from the Shovel Knight Twitter has joined the Parody Alleyway. Now, before we get onto our final reveal, I'd like to mention that we have a Discord server. The link is in the description. Now, onto the final review.